Hi guys, today I'm going to be installing some MGS crash mushrooms, which I have unboxed. I have them here and ready. Comes quite nice, very well made, well machined parts. Full kit, fitting instructions, all are supplied, as you can see. Clamping washers, and also with them come the standard soft gel rings that fit inside nicely there, and unlike the R&G, hopefully they won't fall off. Both are the same length, but one needs a spacer kit due to the design of the frame. So without any further ado, I will fit these on and give you my review on what I think. So watch part 2.